Hello everyone, my name is Jared Alexander. Today's date, 26 November 2020. Other side is a list of things I need to go over for the notes, for this cow eye dissection. So just going to start before I pause it. I trimmed away the fat and muscle of the eye, and right here we have the optic nerve. I'm going to pause it and continue. Before I continue, this white outer layer there is the sclera. Cornea is right here over it, but I'm going to have to dissect it as well to get to the underlying structures. And right around here are the posterior aspect, or the rectus muscles, and like I said before, the optic nerve. All right, so here's the eye. Remove the cornea. So here's the cornea right here from the eye. I'm holding it, cupping it, because there's some aqueous humor that did pour out, and some of it's on my sheet here. It's really pretty much clear and watery. Might not be able to see it too well. There we go. So I kind of cut that cornea in half. So this black ring is the iris, and that white opaque appearing thing in the center is the lens, and there's the other half of that cornea there. And so I'm gonna keep, that's the anterior cavity. Behind that lens will be the posterior cavity. So the anterior cavity has the cornea, pupil, iris, and the ciliary body as well. I'll pause it. All right, so I got it. The eye split in half, 2 equal halves. It's a sagittal dissection. I was able to remove the lens. It feels almost like plastic, but it's really hard. You can see there's that piece of that cornea still. So posterior cavity has this gelatinous aqueous humor, or vitreous humor in the posterior cavity. The retina is right here. I can see the optic nerve come out. It's kind of stellate how it appears. I'm going to pour out the vitreous humor on this one. It's gelatinous. So then right here is the choroid process. This is the retina. No, that's sclera. That's sclera. This is the retina right here, and then the sclera is the pearly stuff. There's a midline right here, as you can see. That's where the lens was, that dark line, and the choroid is in that area as well, and it produces that aqueous humor in circulation. There's a little bubble right there from the retina detaching. This side still has the optic nerve in place, as you can see the jelly coming out. You can see the pupil, which is that hole right there. It's dripping here, sorry. And yeah, there's the optic nerve. And yeah, it's gelatinous, that vitreous humor. And that is, just wanted to go over pretty much, there's that posterior, middle, and then the anterior aspect of the eye. And that's all I have. Thank you.